Hiya, kiddos. Thanks for joining me and Barkley in the reading room. Grandpa Ken misses you when you're not here. Hey, listen, I wanted to go over some stuff and I needed your help. So, if you all remember, I'm a beginner in a lot of different things. So, today we're going to read about ABCs of calm. Yeah, I know it doesn't sound, but all my life when I was a kiddo, my mom and everybody else always said, calm down, calm down. Well, I am calm now, and it's because I can do some of this. So I wanted to let you kiddos know. A is for affirmation. You need to tell yourself that you're great and that you're good and that you can do anything if you try hard enough and often enough. B is for breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Then you'll feel better. See? That's a B. Yeah, A and B. And then C, well, that's the big one, is for calm. I'm as cool as a cat. Listen to music, read whatever that just makes you calm. D is for down dog on my favorite yoga mat. Look at that, kiddos. Huh? You do yoga? Do you exercise, huh? G is for grateful. This is one of my favorites, kiddo. I have a full and thankful heart for all of you kiddos as well as so many things in my life. Look around. There's a lot of people that don't have it as good as you do, kiddos. H is for help. Pinch in and do your part wherever you can with your friends. Do it well. I is for imagine. Oh, I love imagination. Close my eyes and see my places that I like to go. Yep. J is for joy. A grinning smile across my face. That's joy, kiddos. When people see you and you're smiling, that's joy. And K is for kindness. Makes the world go round. You need to be kind to your kiddo friends and your sisters and your brothers and mom and dad and all the grown-ups just because they need the calm too. L is for listen. Even trees make a sound. Yeah. How about that, huh? How about that? Even trees make a sound. M is for mindful. I'm present and aware. N is for nature. I show the earth that I care. Yeah. See? Excellent. What do you think, kiddos? Did you think you can be mindful? O is for oops. I can learn from my mistakes. Oops. That's right. We all make mistakes. It's how much you learn from that mistake so you don't make the same mistake. P is for positivity. It's the path I choose to take. Around here at Grandpa Ken's Reading Time, we call it Prophetese. That's the language of positives. That's us. See the panda bear? Oh yeah, and notice the octopus. Oh, it's for octopus too, I guess. Q is for quiet. Do you hear what I said? Quiet! Oh yeah. In the morning when I wake. And R is for routine. It's good to take a break. Yep. You gotta plan ahead, kiddos, when you're studying stuff to take a break. Yeah. S is for stretch. Pick a pose that helps you and then just bend. And then T is for together, spending time with friends. That's real important. Spend time with your friends. And U is for understand. And remember to forgive. And V is for vision. It's the way I want to live. See? See that? The unicorn says forgive. Y is for you. Say, I'm strong, smart, and kind. And be that. And Z is for Z's. Sleepy sounds at bedtime. What do you think, kiddos? What do you think? Just remember, deep breathing, make your heart how you feel, and being nice your engine. Quiet space. Remember, everybody needs time just to think about things from time, and you do too. Try to stay calm when you need to be calm. Because you know what? Grandpa Ken always believed, there's time always to go crazy later. Thank you, kiddos. Come on back and see Grandpa Ken again. Barkley will be missing you. Remember, your smile doesn't do anybody any good except you when you smile.